How to pay Disney Plus with Google Play. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first go to your Play Store, tap on your profile icon. From here, go to go to payments and subscription. Simply add your payment method, add your credit card or your debit card, and after that go to Disney Plus in from the search bar. Since I do not have Disney Plus available in my region, if you have the access, you can easily pay it using the subscription feature from payments and subscription in the subscription center. As you can see here, it is clearly written that you can sign up for subscription in your favorite apps and games and manage them in Google Play. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.